Hey folks, this is Willie. Tonight I'll be talking to you about how you can increase your budget on iMarketing. Do you want to increase your profit? Yes. And so buy more advertising. And the robot actually does take care of the rest of the work. Now, how do you do so? Basically, this video tutorial targets people that already know what is iMarketing and already have an account, but struggling to know how to add money or to feed this machine. So we have two ways to do this. Under My Advertising, you come and click Increase Budget. Another way is you can hit Top Up. Once you hit top up, you will land exactly onto this page. This page. And let's say you want to add a minimum balance, which is $100. So we will type in $100. And we have various methods of payments, as you can see on the screen. Now, by far the most popular one is Bitcoin. Depending on where you are located, you may have this one working, this one not working, this one working, this one not working, this one taking too long to respond, and so on and so forth. But Bitcoin, it's very, very smoothly and seamlessly working. And so I want to advise and encourage everybody to use Bitcoin if possible. So let's select Bitcoin. So the price in Bitcoin is already here. I will go ahead and click pay. The next screen brings up something very important to follow. So here is where you are on the top up screen. You have the QR code, which is this one. You have the wallet and the amount. Now, in order to feed this platform here with or to increase the budget, you need to use an external application to get the wallet, use this wallet and bring money into this platform. Now, depending on where you are located, there are so many different platforms that you can download, applications on the phones that you can download, or you can use web-based. Uh, Here I use ScheckPay. This is my ScheckPay account. Some other people use Binance or WireX, Coinbase, Payer. It depends. You can use whatever you want. It's the same thing. So let's say, for example, you want to use ScheckPay. You will come here once you have this QR code. Go into your phone, log into ScheckPay. If you already downloaded ScheckPay, you'll have something that looks like this on the phone. When you're in here, click on Bitcoin, which is number one, and select send because we want to send money into iMarketing. So we select send. And next, this four dots that are right here is for the scanning. So click on this. This will open the scanning button and come into your iMarket and scan this QR code. What that will do is it will download automatically this wallet right here into this spot. And then you will have a possibility to hit next and to enter manually the amount that you want to send. Make sure, very important that you follow this. The amount here has to be exactly the amount that appears here. If you make a mistake, you will lose your money and you won't get any money back. And once you do that, you hit next, next, and you confirm the transaction. It normally and literally takes from 30 minutes to 1 hour to see the amount comes or show up under balance. So this is how you actually feed iMarketing using an external app-based